Anong quarter po ito? Itong certification na to. 3 quarter eh. Nagpasa sila ng
First and second quarter po yata.
Are you sure?
Yung certification. Kung yung certification po, Mr. Chair, I think it's for the whole year. Although yung sinusupport po niya na liquidation is for the first and second quarter.
Yes. For what PPA? Is it in the counterinsurgency programs?
Hindi po na namin tinignan kung anong...
Have you read the certification? Ano yung sinasabi sa certification? Ito, sinasabi sa certification. Halimbawa na lang, itong Mr. Chair, no, basahin natin. Yung kay Boransing, kay